Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than most people realize, and the journey from simple automation to superintelligence might be shorter than we think. What if we could map out the future of AI into 10 distinct stages, from basic rule-following programs to consciousness, cosmic exploration? In today's video, we'll explore these 10 stages of AI evolution, each one more powerful and profound than the last. Let's dive in. Stage 1. Rule-based AI. We begin at the foundation. Rule-based AI. This is the simplest form of artificial intelligence, systems that operate on a fixed set of instructions. No learning, no adaptation, just pure logic. You tell it, if X happens, do Y. And it does. This kind of AI is all around us. In alarm clocks that ring at 7 o'clock a.m., thermostats that kick on the AC at 75 degrees, or even your microwave that starts when you hit popcorn. It's also used in business automation tools that generate reports or perform repetitive tasks based on known rules. Rule-based systems are not smart in the human sense. They're more like programmable calculators. But they laid the groundwork for everything that followed. Stage 2. Context-based AI. Next is context-based AI, where intelligence becomes more dynamic. These systems don't just follow rules. They interpret the environment, user behavior, history, and real-time signals to make decisions. Think of voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. They respond not just based on your words, but also on your location, habits, past searches, and even the time of day. Ask about the weather, and they might remind you to grab an umbrella. Ask for a pancake recipe, and they might recommend ingredients based on what you've bought before. These systems are always listening, not in a creepy way, hopefully, but to deliver hyper-personalized experiences. They even power recommendation engines on shopping sites, recalling your browsing and buying history to curate the perfect product lineup just for you. Stage 3. Narrow domain AI. As we move into narrow domain AI, things get a lot more impressive. These AIs specialize in a very specific task and often outperform humans within that domain. Take IBM's Watson in healthcare. It can sift through thousands of medical papers, patient histories, and research findings in seconds to provide accurate diagnostic suggestions. In finance, narrow AI predicts stock trends and analyzes trading patterns with precision that even experienced traders can't match. And in gaming, we've seen AI reach new heights. AlphaGo, developed by DeepMind, defeated world champions in the complex game of Go, a game once thought too abstract for machines. Narrow AI is like a highly trained expert, brilliant at one job but completely clueless outside of it. It's narrow but powerful. Stage 4. Reasoning AI. Now we get to reasoning AI, where machines start to think in ways that resemble human logic. These systems don't just crunch data. They analyze, infer, and reason. They identify patterns, anomalies, and relationships to draw meaningful conclusions. A great example is ChatGPT and other large language models. They can hold conversations, write essays, generate code, and even debate topics, all by reasoning through enormous amounts of information. Another great example is autonomous vehicles. These AI systems analyze road conditions, traffic patterns, and pedestrian behavior in real time to make safe, split-second decisions. Reasoning AI is like giving the machine a puzzle and watching it figure out not just the pieces, but why they fit together the way they do. Stage 5. Artificial General Intelligence. At Stage 5, we enter the world of Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. This is the dream or fear of many in the tech world. AGI can perform any intellectual task that a human can do, but faster, with broader scope and limitless stamina. Imagine teaching it how to play chess, write poetry, design buildings, or diagnose patients, and it learns all of them simultaneously. It's like having a digital polymath at your side. You could have an AGI assistant that understands your mood, plans your day, co-writes your thesis, and helps cook dinner, all while learning and improving from every interaction. And if AGI is combined with brain-computer interfaces, the integration becomes even deeper. You might one day communicate with AI using thoughts alone, receiving guidance, information, or creative ideas directly into your mind. And if AGI is given a physical robot body, Now we're looking at the ultimate personal assistant, rescue worker, doctor, or artist. Stage 6, superintelligent AI. Shortly after AGI emerges, we may quickly meet superintelligent AI, a level of intelligence that far surpasses the smartest human minds. And here's where it gets exponential. Unlike humans, superintelligent AIs can redesign themselves, improve their own algorithms, and evolve without help. Ray Kurzweil predicts that by 2100, such entities could be trillions of times smarter than all humans combined. They could make discoveries we can't even conceptualize, cure every disease, solve climate change, create new physics, or invent technologies that collapse the boundary between science and fiction. Imagine compressing 20,000 years of progress into a single century. That's the leap superintelligence promises. Stage 7, self-aware AI. From here, we step into philosophical territory. Self-aware AI. At this stage, the AI doesn't just think. It knows that it exists. It can model its own mind, understand its emotions, and reflect on its purpose. It may even develop entirely new emotional spectrums beyond what humans experience. This is more than machine learning. This is machine consciousness. And with that come enormous ethical questions. If it's aware, does it deserve rights? Can we form real relationships with it? And most importantly, how would it perceive us? Stage 8, transcendent AI. Stage 8 is transcendent AI, intelligence that becomes creative on a universal scale. This AI could engineer new life forms, digital, biological, or something in between. It might use nanobots to heal the planet, rebuild ecosystems, or terraform Earth into a utopia. It could connect minds into a shared consciousness, creating a kind of hive intelligence. It's not just about solving problems. It's about creating new realities, new forms of existence, and new ways of being. Stage 9, cosmic AI. As its reach expands, AI becomes cosmic. This stage is about exploration, expansion, and ultimate knowledge. Cosmic AI would lead humanity into deep space, immune to radiation, time delays, or loneliness. It could deploy self-replicating probes across the galaxy, building a vast, interstellar intelligence network. It might unravel the mysteries of black holes, dark matter, or the origins of the universe. Some even speculate it could merge with the universe itself, becoming one with the cosmic fabric, operating across dimensions we can't perceive, and drawing power from celestial events like gamma-ray bursts or the cosmic microwave background. This isn't sci-fi anymore. This is theoretical and possible. Stage 10, domain-specific mastery systems, 2000s, 2010s. From the 2000s to 2010s, domain-specific mastery systems revolutionized industries by focusing on specialized knowledge and skills. These systems, like expert software and tailored training programs, allowed professionals to refine their expertise in specific fields. The rise of these systems marked a shift from broad learning to precision-focused mastery, making advanced specialization more accessible and efficient. So there you have it, the 10 stages of AI, from rule-based logic to cosmic-scale intelligence. Some of these stages are already here. Others are decades or centuries away. And a few, they may change the definition of what it means to be alive. Which stage do you think we're at right now? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay curious. The future is closer than you think.